And okay friends, and today we are going to install TensorFlow. For that, what we have to do is we are going to do custom object reduction. This would be part 1 of the TensorFlow. So first what you have to do is you have to install cuda. So in order to install TensorFlow, okay, install for GPU, okay, for install GPU. So you have to go here and install TensorFlow GPU. And if you go here, they will give you some support advice. So this we are going to install for the TensorFlow 2 and Windows 7, and later we are going to install. Okay, for this their main thing what they are telling is that, okay, for this the main thing what they are telling is that you need to have some requesties. Okay, so read the pip install guide also. Okay, in order to install this you need to have the compatibility. Okay, and you need to have cuda 10, and the driver should be 410 or higher. Okay, so for I have this NVIDIA 710 GTX graphic card. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to first install NVIDIA driver, okay, NVIDIA drivers. Okay, and go here. Okay, and the recording is going on. So in this what you have to do is that you have to select your correct thing. So I have a GeForce and it is supposed to be 700 series. Okay, GeForce 700. Okay, and it is 710 GT 710 and Windows 10 64-bit, as I can show you over here. Okay, as you can go here and see, it is supposed to be, okay, it is supposed to be 64-bit. Okay, it is supposed to be 64-bit. Okay, it is supposed to be 64-bit and everything is shown over here. Okay, so in order to do that, so you have this. So this is for a game GRD game ready service and it should be in English. So let it search. Okay, and you can download this. It is about 528 MB. Okay, let me show you in the downloads. Okay, so let it be downloaded. And after installing this cuda, you have to go for this cuda. Sorry, for installing this drivers, you have to go. You simply do it. So we have to install cuda 10. Okay, cuda 10. Okay, because in here what they are telling is that it requires cuda 10. Okay, and you have to give this cuda and SDK should be greater than or equal to 7.4. okay, so 710. So we have installed this for 410. Okay, it should be between 410 or something. Okay, it is 441, so it is greater than 410 or higher. Okay, so let it download. Okay, let's go for the cuda 10 archive, cuda toolkit 10. Go to the Windows and go to the 10. Go to the exe local. It is very big file. Okay, so you can just follow the screen prompts and you no need to just go through everything. Okay, let it download. Okay, this is going to finish downloading. So everything is being recorded. Okay, so let this both get downloaded and we will meet later. Okay, so we will download both and we will start the tutorial. Okay, because after installing one by one we have to go. Okay, and the next thing should be on cuda. Okay, we have to install cuda. Okay, and go to here, archive. So installing cuda, download cuda. Okay, before that you have to go here. okay, and see for what all it is supported, okay, for what all architecture it is supported. And you just go here, get down, download code, and you just log in, okay. You just give your social log in with your social account, with your Google account, okay. And you just give some password and everything, mm, okay. Don't try to mimic me because I don't have that account, okay. This is just a dummy account, okay. First you have to install the drivers, then you have to install the CUDA. So in this they are telling that you have to install CUDA 10 toolkit. First you have to install the drivers, okay, and the GPU capability should be more than 3.5 or higher. So this 3.5, I don't know what is that, okay. So it should be TensorFlow. You after installing this CUDA 10 and 410, you can install whatever you want. So this RT is for RTX, I think so. I just don't know that. And this is supposed to be for Linux, okay. So we are going to go for that also next. First we will finish this, okay. Okay, the account has been linked, has been verify the email. So I'll verify the email, go and verify my email, okay. I'm not supposed to open this email, but this is just a dummy account, okay. Okay, just verified your email, okay, and you have to give your first name and everything. So let me finish it, and after that you just take everything, kudanan and everything, okay, for what application you need, okay, other applications. So we need for cafe 2, deep learning framework, everything we need, okay. We have to check all these things, okay, and agree to and download this. So we have CUDA 10, so it is better that we'll go with 7.6, and CUDA library for 10. It is just a exe file, okay. It's just 239 MB, okay, and that's it. Okay, let it finish downloading. We will install one by one, okay. And after that we have to install Python. So in order to install Python, you have to go here. So we will go with this 3.6, okay, Python 3.6, okay, Python 3.6, okay. I think it is recording, okay. Python 3.6 download it here. So you just, it is Python 3.8, it is very before, so it is better that we can also go with Python 3.7 also, but it is now enough that we can go with Python 3.6, okay. Okay, I could not okay, we will go with anything now. So we can also go with Python 3.7, Python 3.6 or anything, okay. So it is just it is, I think it is a stable version, okay. So we'll go with Python 3.6.10, okay. And you have all these things, online documents, store balls, and we don't need this, okay. And you don't have anything like this downloads, okay. Okay, let's try this now. Python 3.8, what's new in that, okay. I don't think there is going to be any problem because everything is Python 3 now, okay. Only some syntax problem will come, we will see to that also, Okay, and we also have to install this pip and everything. Okay, cuda has been installed, I think so. Sorry, it has been downloaded, I think so. Okay, so and after that what you have to do is that you have to download Python 2.7. Okay, 2.7. Okay, it should be also available. Okay, Python 2.7.6. Okay, and Windows MSI installer, 64-bit installer, debug installer, information files installer. Okay, it will be that MSI 64 installer. Okay, okay, let it everything be downloaded. Okay, so now let's first okay, let these both things get downloaded. Okay, this is just a small file, and we have to check everything. Okay, now just close it. So let everything be downloaded. Okay, and okay friends, now we will install the drivers and everything. Go to the folder, show in the folder, and this is the driver. So run as administrator. Okay, and it is going to be unzipped in C. Okay, Python is somewhat easy to do. Okay, C is really difficult because you need Visual Studio and everything. Okay, Python is somewhat easy to do. So let it be unzipped. Okay, because everybody has been asking to me about this TensorFlow custom object detection on Windows. I made this tutorial. Okay, so that's why. So in Windows custom object detection, I don't think it is very tough. Okay, it is as easy as Linux. Okay, but the only thing is that you have to do it in this here. So if the checking compatibility is correct, if you have just configured your this graphics card correct, it is checking for the compatibility now. Okay, so let it check. Okay, everything has been correct. So NVIDIA graphics card driver GeForce experience. Okay, give next, and express is negative, custom is advanced. You have to say change some things. Okay, no, this is enough, recommended is enough. Okay, okay, it is used for ray tracing and everything. Okay, so let it get downloaded and installed. Okay, display driver and everything has been recharged. Removing 3D vision drivers and everything is being changed. Okay, now it is configuring everything. Okay, let it install. I'll contact you later. No problem will come. Okay, don't worry. Okay, now you have to restart your system. Before that, you have to see that you have to launch the GeForce and everything. Okay, now close this. Okay, okay, and I think this is going to be restarted. So we are not going to use this supported games and everything. Okay, we have just installed GeForce. So now you should ready to close this. Okay, so let's close this and restart it and get back again. Okay, now what we have done is that we have installed the cuda driver, and the next what you have to do, we have to install this cuda. Okay, and next we will go for this cuda and 10, so it should be greater than 7.4 or 7.5. Okay, So it is about 2 GB. It is a very big file, so you have to download it very carefully. Okay, so go to the folder. Okay, and after going to the folder, you just go here. Okay, cancel this, run as administrator. Okay, okay, it is going to just unpack it in the C. Okay, then it will start the installation. So it is just installing. It is about 7%. So let it install. So let it unzip. We will just install it again. Checking for the system compatibility. Okay. So after it is checking for the system compatibility, now it is going to just install it. Okay. So let's see. It is taking some time. NVIDIA other installation may be running. Okay, there is other installation running, I think so. So let's close everything. Okay, let's close everything. So again, let's open it. It's already there. Okay, actually it is telling that it is in users app data cuda. Okay, I have to go here, and just type cuda, ACUDA. Okay, on the search, let it search. It is easy to find it. It is actually in users Saktish. Okay, it is in users and Sakti app data or Saktish. No? App data or Saktishwaran. It's not over here. Okay, so let's go here. We just copy this. We just go here. Okay, and just paste it. Okay, it's not able to show. It is actually in app data now, in local, and in here it is in temp, and in temp it should be cuda. So we have to find the cuda here. I don't know where is the cuda now. Okay, where is the cuda? No cuda is given over here. Temp, and there should be cuda over here. Okay, and cuda should be here now. Okay, cuda has not been unzipped, so we have to go to the downloads and cancel this. Okay, and then next do it now. Let it get unzipped. Okay, and after that let's go here and NVIDIA logging. Okay, cuda is over here now. Okay, it's just unzipping it again. Okay, so let it unzip. So there is some installation going on over here. Okay, so I have to switch off this also. Okay, so let it finish. Okay, nothing but you have to give next and go, and you have to just define the path. Okay, I'll tell you how to define the path. Okay, um, friends, it has been done. So now what you have to do is, so I will disable the mouse cursor. Okay, highlight the, don't track the mouse. Okay, so agree and continue. Before that you have to read this license carefully. Okay, so it is Apache license 2. It is like GPL license, so you go with the express recommended. Okay, and this is for CUDA 10 installation. Okay, we are unzipping it on the C folder. Okay, and we are just doing, so you have to make a Visual Studio integration. Okay, so it is preparing it. Okay, and you have to note that you should also make a check in the this PC. Okay, just go here. Okay, and go to the advanced settings, environment variables, go to the path. Sorry, so you don't have anything as CUDA, but there is NVIDIA. So you can see here and here, there is NVIDIA, but there is no CUDA. After installing this, you will have CUDA. Okay, so first what you have to do, you have to check. Okay, installing inside Visual Studio Edition. Okay, let it install, and I will contact you later. Okay, after the installation, we should install cuda. Cuda is simple, that you have to copy and paste it in the bin folder of the CUDA. Okay, it is so simple. So it is telling that no Visual Studio has been found, so there is no problem with that. So let's finish this. So we can launch some sample files. Okay, these are some sample files, and you have to know that this sln.sln, okay, means that it's some kind of executable. Okay, you have this CUDA libraries and everything. Now what you have to do, before restarting, you go here, go to this PC, go to the advanced settings. After you do this, click here, environment variables, and now what you have to do, you have to go to the path, and there should be GPU computing CUDA 10. Okay, so now it is available. Okay, so that's it. So after that, we have to install cuda. Okay, I'll tell you how. Let's now restart it. Okay, now what you have to do is that you have to copy this cuda and paste it here. So in order to copy that, you have to go to C, you have to go to program files, and you have to go to this computing toolkit CUDA 10 include, and you will have this. So you have to copy this two files from the downloads. Okay, so the CUDA is over here, so extract all. So it is going to be extracted. So in order to extract it, you just go here, go to the desktop or go to the documents, and make a new folder. Okay, for extracting, you just name it some name. Okay, you just have to copy two things. Okay, so let it get extracted. So I think it is down extracting. Okay, now go here, go to include, I think so. Go and copy this. Okay, as said over here. Okay, so it is telling two things in this. Okay, so in this, according to this, what they are telling is you have to copy this cuda.h and put it in the CUDA. Okay, so get here, go to this PC, C, program files, NVIDIA computing toolkit 10 include, and you just paste it over here. Okay, it has been pasted. Then the another file would be cuda.lib. Okay, it is supposed to be in the bin. Okay, it's supposed to be in the bin. So you just again go to the documents, go to the folder. So it is cuda.dll. So dll, I think so, should also be copied, I think so. oh yes, coordinate 64.dll. Okay, should be copied to the bin. Okay, now you just go here and you just copy this, go to this PC, C, program files, and NVIDIA GPU computing, cuda 10, include, not include, it is supposed to be in bin. Okay, just paste it. Okay, and after that what you have to do is that so it is so simple. The following environment variables should be set up. Okay, so this is already set up. Okay, cuda 10.2 is already set up. So code library has to be copied to the lib x64 folder. So you just get again here, go to the documents and go to the library x64 folder, copy this. Okay, and they are telling that from x64 folder it has to taken to the lib x64 folder. Okay, just go here, C, program files, and NVIDIA, get here. Okay, lib x64, and you just paste it over here. Okay, and that's it, I think so. So after that, click linker additional dependencies, add. So Visual Studio, if you want to do it in Visual Studio, you have to follow this linker input additional. Cuda is nothing but it will give extra acceleration. Okay, now also what you can do is that you can also check the installation thing. Okay, but in Windows it is not needed. This is for Ubuntu. Okay, this is actually for Ubuntu, so you don't want to do it in Windows. Okay, so that's it. So we have been done with this. Okay, so if everything is correct, now we should be able to install Python. Okay, now let's close everything and go here and install this Python now. So we have Python 3.8. okay, so it is over here. You just have to click it. Okay, I think it's recording, and you can just customize it. Oh my god, I'm not customize it. Okay, again go 3.8, not 3.6. Actually we are going for 3. Now you have to add the path. Okay, if you don't add the path, it will not show up in the environment variables. So you can also customize installation, so you need pip and everything. Okay, actually this is in app data Python, like that. Okay, customize installation, and next, and you can also choose that this PC, and it will be better that it could be on C or anything. Okay, it could be on C. Okay, and let it install. Oh my god, it is just 32-bit interpreter. Okay, we need 64-bit, so this is 32-bit, so we need 64-bit. Okay, so we have not downloaded 64-bit, so we have to get here and type Python 64-bit download. Okay, and 3.7.4, and let's get here web-based executable installer, embeddable installer. So it will be that executable installer. Okay, and after downloading it, you just click it, and you just go to the customize thing, back, add the Python. Don't forget to add the path. Okay, go to the next, go here, go to this PC. Okay, and go to the C folder. Okay, pre-compile everything. So it is 64-bit. Okay, you have to note that. Okay, So it is getting downloaded. Okay, and before that you have to note that you have to install that pip. Okay, if not, you have to install it again. So pip has been installed. Okay, let it be installed. So let's close this and go to TensorFlow installation. Okay, TensorFlow 2 GPU. Okay, in later on we can change it. Okay, there is no problem with that. So it will be fine that you go with this pip install TensorFlow GPU. It is a stable version. Okay, so we have installed CUDA 10 and 410 higher. So it will be better that we can go with this. And we should also note that we have to go for TensorFlow 2. Okay, the setup was successful, and now we have to go here, go to this PC. Okay, and go to the environment variables and go to the path, and now you should see Python over here. Oh my god, there is no Python. So let's restart and come back. No, so there is over here, C is over here, so we should not leave it like that. So now what you have to do is that you have to go here, go to this PC, go to the C, and oh my god, everything has been unpacked like this. It should not unpack like this. So what we have to do is that Python set path, set environment variable Python. Okay, Python. You just set a path for environmental variable for the Python. Okay, you just go here. So it will be better that home, this is some kind of stupid thing. Okay, you can just make a very easy one. Okay, you just get here, everything is sort of this. You just get the bin and go to here, and Windows, Python in Windows. Okay, you just go and paste it. Okay, that will be as easy as possible. Okay, so we have added the Python, but there it is not showing the properties, advanced and environment variable and new variable name. Okay, now we have to copy this. Okay, we have to copy this Python W. Okay, or Python scripts. So we have to copy this Python W. Okay, Python 37. You have to copy this both things, Python 37 scripts and Python. Actually, you have to copy these things. Okay, Python 37, 32. Okay, and you have to copy another thing called where is it? Okay, so you have to copy these things. Okay, you have to copy these things. So it is actually in users. So now we have to copy it in scripts and Python 37, 32. So you just go here. Okay, so where is this Python 37, 32? I don't know where it is. Okay, it is supposed to be on. Okay, it is supposed to be on Python. So I have to go here. So in C there should be some kind of Python. Oh my god, there is nothing like that. Okay, that's no thing as Python. Programs and Pythons. Okay, so I don't know what happened to this. Okay, so you just go here and it is Python W is over here. Okay, you just go here and just see. Okay, C is given. Okay, C is enough, that is given. Okay, so it is telling that the C has been intimated. For example, you just go here. Okay, I just choose a very default folder. I should not choose like that. So as you can see that in here C has been intimated that it is available over there. Okay, the C folder has been available over there, but it is proper that you have to go it like this, do it like this. Okay, so in this programs and this and all, so Python 37, okay, 37, 32, like that it has to be. Okay, Python 37, 32. So in here, when you go here and go here, and Python 37, 32 is not over here. Okay, Python 37, 32 is not over here. Okay, anyhow, we have just so you just go to the CMD and check whether the Python is available. Okay, go here and just type Python. So now it should show here. Okay, now it has been installed. Okay, now no, don't worry. Okay, it has been installed. So it is only enough that you need only to have this as C intimated over here. Okay, as C intimated over here, C scripts also intimated over here, as it is available over here. Okay, as you can see that it is available over here, scripts. Okay, these are all Python scripts. Okay, and that's it, my friends. So we have to check that the pip has been installed correctly. Close this. Okay, now just close this. Okay, now close this, close all and close this, and you just go here CMD. Okay, now you just get here and type pip install pandas. So now it should install. Okay, pip is not recognized as a batch file. Okay, now you have this problem. You just copy this. Okay, and go here. I think we have just installed it very wrongly, so we have to uninstall and install it again. Okay, okay, we will uninstall it. Okay, we will uninstall the thing. Okay, okay, we'll uninstall and install it. I'm sorry for wasting your time. So we are uninstalling it. Okay, after uninstalling it, we are going to install it. Okay, and we are going to set the environment variables in Windows. Okay, so let's see. And okay, friends, and we are going to install the Python again. Okay, let's go to the downloads. Go to the Python 3.7. Okay, so it should be 64-bit. Okay, so it is in app data local Python 37 and everything. So you have to add the thing. Okay, now install it. So it is not better to go like that. Okay, and now what we have to do is that, and we have to go to the user, and you have to take this path and you have to travel to this path. Okay, and see it. Okay, where is it? So the path should be environment variable. Okay, it should be like this: user, C users, Saktish or Saktish. Okay, okay, it has been done. So after that, we have installed the path. You can also check it if the path is correct. You cannot leave it like that. Okay, you just go here. So the cuda path, everything has been installed correct. Okay, now you just get into this path. Okay, it has been like this. So again, you just go here and check for this Python path is not that good. Okay, so now what you have to do is that you have to get here. Okay, paste this. Okay, just get to this and after that, from here you have to go to the local, and from here you have to get to the programs. Okay, programs, and from programs you have to get to the Python, and from the Python you have to get to the Python 37. Okay, and you just copy this. Okay, just copy this, and that's it, I think so. Okay, Python 37 is to 32. Okay, if there is scripts you can copy to 32. Okay, so in here they are copying actually two things. Okay, so in here 32 is not given. Yeah, as you can see here, 37, 32 is scripts, and the another thing is PyW. PyW is over here. Okay, it is not given, so it is better that you can go with Python 37. Okay, so just copy this. Okay, and from here what you have to do, you have to go to the path, get here, properties, advanced environment variables, and go to the path and new variable and just paste it. Okay, okay, and then again get here, go to the path, and from the path what you have to do, get here to, okay, and again you have to get to the scripts, and in the scripts you just copy everything. Okay, select all, copy, and get to the environment variables. Okay, just close, get here and come here. Okay, and paste this. Okay, and type okay, and now it's everything is okay, and just close it, go to the CMD and type Python. Okay, and you can just check for a small problem. Okay, now what you do, you just get out of here and again go to CMD. Okay, and run as an administrator, pip install pandas. Okay, it has been installed very correctly. Okay, and that's it. And after that what you have to do, you have to upgrade the pip. Okay, you just copy this. Okay, and come here and you have to upgrade it, the pip. So numpy everything has been installed correctly, and we are going to install the TensorFlow now. Okay, okay, now we have to upgrade the pip, so you just paste it. Okay, now you just install the TensorFlow GPU. So we are going to install TensorFlow G12. Okay, so you can go with this pip install TensorFlow GPU 2 and get here, and you can just paste it and put double equal to 2. Okay, it is about 285 MB. Okay, let it finish. I will contact you later. Okay, the only problem is that it doesn't have this tensor board. It is only for debugging and visualization of the training, so it is no problem with that. But Python TensorFlow has been installed correctly, and at the starting there was a Mac SSL error. This is something but the certificate error for this protocol, I think so. So now you go to the Python. Okay, and you will see this. Just type import TensorFlow as tf. Okay, so now it is just getting some details. Okay, and again you just type it, there will be no error. So this is not error actually, this is just telling that it has loaded successfully. Okay, so this has been installed very successfully. If you want to check this TensorFlow has been installed successfully, TensorFlow GPU 2 install, check. Okay, so we just go here and you can check for it. Okay, it is so easy to check, or else you can just simply go here and you can just copy this and paste this. Okay, so you just copy this for test as TensorFlow GPU test, and you just go here and you just paste this. Just not pasting. Okay, go to the notepad, just paste it, select all, copy, get here and then paste it. Okay, now it is true. Okay, so it has been installed and it is showing that the GPU is of 1412 MB memory of graphics card. So thank you, we have installed TensorFlow with cuda, and that's it. So tomorrow we will be training on video and image detection on Windows. Okay, so take a good look at this for testing the GPU. Thank you. This has been a very long tutorial, but please bear with me.